moving forward, one is OMG Face of the Year, which he has already told, Rohit has just spoken to you. The second big thing which we're doing is the calendar this year, the calendar 2021. And I'm very super excited to introduce you to everyone who's going to be a part of the calendar as well as the part of OMG. My partners, my associate, who's associated with us, who's believed us, most important, that the venture which we just started, and they have given that entire, they've come forward to help us completely and to make sure that we create this vision with them and make it larger than life. The calendar is going to get shot in this week, and soon we'll announce the launch of the calendar. We'll show you, before that, we have Rajendra Jain, ex-chairman of Swarovski, who's here today, and he's come to give us all his wishes. And he was one person who's also very fond of the glamour industry and the talents, and he gave me a big push when I went to talk to him about OMG Face of the Year. And he was a person who said, you should do this, and it is a great objective to get the talents ahead. Nevertheless, my very short meet with Archana has just got us very good friends, and she believes in Blank Canvas as an entire company. She is very good in educating people, and that's what we look upon to her, and the association will go further. We have Vipul. Vipul is one of the most important person whom I've met, and through my friendship, a long way we go. And Vipul doesn't need an introduction, right, from Tanaji to various commercials, also to on special ops. Vipul is a part of our calendar, and that's the biggest thing, and we're starting off with the first news that Vipul is our first person to really highlight on the calendar. I'll just call a couple of people over here in the calendar who are a part of us. And we have Gagan Kumar. Mr. Gagan? I think Gagan is just running here. We have Priyank. Priyank, please come. Our photographer for the calendar Glamour 2021. We have our associate and the main title sponsor here, who's going to represent as Fujifilm. Fujifilm has been coming up with its own camera, which is going to be used for this fashion, especially for photography and for jewelry, and that's why Fuji has associated the calendar as a title sponsor. We have Ketki on behalf of Fuji here. I'll just invite her to be here. Please give her a big hand, guys. We also have ZK Pro as our, so Gagan has been our designer for the calendar. He's been running away here and there. That's what it is. And we have ZK Pro as our official makeup partner. Comes with. Just a glimpse of the revolution of the calendar which we are going to have, and the look will be revealed very soon. The biggest revolution which we are getting on the calendar is our very own Ivanka Das. Ivanka. The calendar is all about brides, and we're talking about Ivanka being one of our brides in the calendar, and this is going to be news. Please come.
Shall I please come here?
And then we have a couple of our models and supermodels who are here. We're still waiting for some to come, but basically we have Rola, Sri Radhe, please come. Weber. Our faces for this year's calendar, there are many. You have not been seeing all, but they are here and they are a part of the calendar. And yes, not forgetting OMG, my heart, where it is the first ever revolution which we started with Blank Canvas with Rohit thinking about it. We have our partners there as well. We have support from all ends, from everyone. I am especially thanking Skinworks to be our powered by sponsor. And on behalf of Skinworks, we have Ritika. I got confused with Ritika and Ketki. Ritika has been a part of Dr. Priti Shenoy's team, and she's been, they have been our skincare partner, and basically they're powered by sponsor. We've been missing out on Mr. Pankaj Kharbanda, the person who's handling the man behind Guru Mr. India and Miss India Elite, who has given the platform for OMG finalists to come. The winners of OMG will be a wildcard entry in Mr. and Miss India for the next year. We are truly happy for having them on board as a partner. And we also have, if I'm missing out somebody, we have Shine Shilpi, our partner for Glamour calendar, the jewelry partner, who has been on this calendar, but unfortunately he is not available here. And did I miss out on someone? We have Biceps, yes, as our protein partner. Nutrition partner for OMG. Youth, looking at proteins and looking at nutrition, we have them as our online partner. If I'm missing out, yes. And our location for Glamour. Glamour is going to be shot in Vada at Honeybook Studio, and they are our location partners as well. So this is the entire history of the people who just joined us, and I'm very happy in a short notice I got people to come up, like Rajendra Bhai and Archana. Special thanks to both of you. I'm just going to hand over the mic to Archana to talk a little bit, and then with Vipul, because I need you to tell me about the Glamour calendar and what you feel. Invite you to participate with us. 1 second.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to congratulate you all for the passion that you have for all your amazing concepts, and I wish you all the very best. I hope you'll do really, really well. I'm very happy to be there to support you.
How about Rajan?
Thank you first, Parimal, inviting me to be part of this launch event. And I would like to congratulate Parimal and the entire team for the launch of their new company. And two prestigious properties, what you mentioned, is one OMG Face of the Year and the beautiful, incredible modeling models calendar. So my best wishes and good luck to the entire team. Thank you.
So first we'll ask Vipul, because being a celebrity, being a star, we're very happy to have him on board. I just had one call and he said, yes bro, I'm there for you, don't worry. And so, what excited you for Glamour?
First of all, I would like to congratulate and Rohit for this great initiative called OMG. And fingers crossed, I think, as you said, it's going to be pioneer of sorts and it's going to do really good for you guys and for all of us. And the other thing is friendship, first of all. And the other thing is the whole concept here. I was really taken aback by the concept in the sense it's wow, it's something which is really path-breaking. And she being the center of the whole calendar is in itself a great thing. So just there to support it. It's a great initiative and would love to do it.
I would ask this question to Fuji because he has been representing Fuji. The first people who said immediately yes on the calendar was Fuji, and they said just go and do it. And it was the last minute where they pressurized me, so I've been doing this calendar now. So how does Fuji think about this entire calendar to work out now?
So now actually
Thank you.
But I'm really thankful to all of you and I'm sure that Fuji will the project that we have proper justice to your show.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So here we have all the people. Not to forget, OMG has two big names associated this year as the jury and mentors. Also, we have this biggest news for you for OMG Face of the Year, where we're going to get a virtual photography done for the first top 5 male and top 5 female. This is itself is an initiative of in technology, which has been none other than who's handling it is Dabu Ratnani. Unfortunately, Dabu Ratnani is not here today because he's shooting and he's been on his way, he's trying to reach here right now. But before he comes and before we end up this session, we wanted to announce his name that Dabu Ratnani is the mentor and the jury among OMG. Thank you.
I'm pretty excited about the calendar. The concept is really great, and a dear friend of mine, Gagan, who's the designer. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the calendar. 2020 साल बहुत ही ज़्यादा वियर्ड था. It started off with the thing कि चलो कोई नहीं, 1-2 महीने में it's going to be all right. But that wasn't the case. Every month there was a build-up of anxiety, tension, work-wise. But then in the month of August, I lost my dad, which was earth-shattering for me. So coming back from that place to today, in the month of January, I think I'm in a better state. And I'm looking forward to a better year, I think, for everyone. Let there be hope, let there be health, and let there be some prosperity. I can't hear you, sorry.
What was the main reason that you collaborated?
The main reason why I collaborated with this brand is, as I told you, a very dear friend Gagan, who's a designer for the same, he called me and he asked me to be a part of this, and it was a very sweet gesture for them to also call and ask for the collaboration. So I said, yeah, why not? Thank you so much. So Big Boss has always been very controversial and entertaining as well, because दूसरों के लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है उसमें मसाले में सबको मज़ा आता है. But इस साल I have not been watching that closely. Last year was fun. Last year was crazy good. This year is okay, on and off. I watch at times. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. Come on, please put your hands together. Give me, say, give it! Give it! Give it! Thank forward for this cake cutting ceremony. Thank you.
3 cheers for Blank Canvas!
पहला कटिंग सब परिमल में फिनिश है।
डोंट वरी, सब बाद में घर पे जाएगा।
नहीं यही काटना पड़ेगा परिमल को पूरा।
वो
परिमल गुजरात में केक लेके